stands for in our SMART goals acronym. Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in the previous videos, I shared with us 7 pitfalls why people are failing in their new resolutions. And the first one was lack of clear goals. And this is what specific means clarity and preciseness. When we're talking about setting up goals, avoiding and leaving no room for ambiguity. Instead of having a broader perspective of what we want to achieve, really helps us to be precise and focus on the exact outcome we are after. The second part of being specific is avoiding vagueness. When we think about, for example, I want to be in a better shape or in a good shape. What does that mean? It's not specific. It doesn't give us a clear target. That's why avoiding vagueness actually helps us to be more focused, because vagueness helps us to increase the confusion and lack of direction in our life. The third point of being specific is actually articulating more about the goal you're after. While you are articulating, actually we are understanding what steps I need to do in order to be more specific. For example, instead of saying, I want to be in a better shape, you can say, I want to run 5K till the end of March, having 3 sessions per week, running lessons with other people. This is quite specific. The target is clear, and as narrow is as better. This gives you clarity, gives you focus, clear target. You know what you're hitting, you know what you're aiming for, and this is what helps you really to be more committed to, gives you more accountability, gives you measurements of really to measure your progress and achievements. And that's why we need a specific goals. In order to make it more practical, I can advise you now, if you want this exercise, go and take a piece of paper, or maybe write it on your computer, your phone, your tablet, your electronic device, it doesn't matter. Write down 10 goals you want for yourself for the next 6 to 12 months in your life. Just write 10 goals which you want to achieve. Just do it, put it in specific areas like personal or professional, health, relationship, money, career, wherever you want to do it. Just put 10 specific goals. And after that, pause this video, do this exercise, put on a paper 10 specific goals which are really important for you for the next 6 to 12 months. Pause this video and I'll see you in a minute. I hope you've done the pause and you have done your exercise. Now from these 10, pick the top 3 which are really, really important for you in the next 3, 6 to 12 months. Just circle them in the list you have created. Just circle the top 3 which are really like a priority for you. As we talked earlier on, they have to align with our values and something that is really personal to us. Don't do it just because someone else is doing. Do something which is really personal for us. Because when we do something which is really linking with our values, this is when it makes it real. This is when it really sticks with us. This is when we are really getting serious about it. So from this 10, just circle these 3 and pause this video if necessary, and I'll see you after you've done it. I hope you have done your 3 most important goals. Now, I want you from these 3 to circle the one, which is the top one, which is really a must for you in the next 3, 6 to 12 months in your life. Just circle this one. And the next step is just make it as specific as possible. If it's related in the area of physical health, just put something like the example I just gave. I want to run 5K, having my exercises 3 times per week, and connecting with a running group. Just put this one, Make it as specific as possible. Or if you want to achieve some financial goals, say, I want to increase my income by 20% in the next 3 months. Make it specific by going into a new course, changing my job, or starting my own business. Make it clear and specific. As specific is, as better. As narrow is, as better. Make your target clear and understandable. So do this exercise, and in the next video we will continue our work on creating our own amazing goals and making them clear and specific, and we'll be able to achieve it. So thank you so much for your time. We continue the next video. See you soon. Bye.